let's take a look at the lecture approach to training. The lecture method involves the oral presentation of information by a subject matter expert to a group of listeners. The lecture continues to be a popular training technique. It is an efficient way of transmitting factual information to a large audience in a relatively short period of time. When used in conjunction with visual aids, such as slides, charts, maps, and handouts, the lecture can be an effective way to facilitate the transfer of theories, concepts, procedures, and other factual material. The lecture method has also been widely criticized, particularly because it emphasizes one-way communication and is poorly suited for individualized training. Although a skilled lecturer may effectively communicate conceptual knowledge to trainees who are prepared to receive it, the lecture has limited value in facilitating attitudinal and behavioral changes when used alone. However, a meta-analysis found that positive learning effects from the lecture method, both when used alone and in combination with other methods, such as discussion and role-playing. Trainers should make every effort to make their lectures as interesting as possible. There are advantages to supplementing lecture with other methods, particularly when abstract or procedural material needs to be presented. These combinations can increase two-way communication and facilitate greater interaction with the material.